Gold price in 2026. Outlook, predictions, and investment guide. Namaste and welcome back to the channel. As we close the exciting year of 2025 and step confidently into 2026, one of the biggest questions in the financial world is, where is the price of gold headed? In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at how gold performed in 2025, what factors are going to drive its value in 2026, and whether this is the right time to add more gold to your portfolio. If you're serious about protecting and growing your wealth, make sure you watch till the very end, because I'll also be sharing some practical investing tips. Let's dive in. 2025 recap. Gold's roller coaster journey. In 2025, gold had what many analysts described as a roller coaster ride. At the start of the year, gold was trading around $2,050 per ounce. By mid-year, due to inflation fears, economic uncertainty, and strong central bank demand, gold pushed above $2,300. This was one of the strongest mid-year rallies in recent history. However, as global economies started showing signs of stability and central banks adjusted interest rates, we saw some pullback. By the end of 2025, gold had settled closer to $2,200 per ounce. Despite these fluctuations, gold once again proved why it is considered the ultimate safe haven asset. It may not always shoot straight up, but it holds value when everything else feels uncertain. And that brings us to the big question. What about 2026? The four forces driving gold in 2026. As we step into 2026, there are four big forces that will determine the direction of gold prices. One, global economy and inflation. Inflation has been one of the strongest drivers of gold over the past 2 years. If global economies continue to struggle with inflation, or if recession risks increase, investors will naturally flock to gold for protection. Two, interest rates and U.S. dollar strength. Gold and the U.S. dollar often move in opposite directions. If central banks, particularly the U.S. Federal Reserve, cut interest rates, the dollar may weaken, making gold more attractive. On the other hand, if the dollar remains strong, it may put pressure on gold prices. Three, central bank buying. In 2025, central banks across Asia, the Middle East, and even parts of Europe bought record amounts of gold. This trend is expected to continue in 2026 as countries diversify away from the U.S. dollar. Central bank demand adds long-term stability to gold prices. Four, geopolitical risks. This is the wild card. Wars, conflicts, trade disputes, or any kind of global instability can cause sudden spikes in gold demand. Just one major geopolitical event can push gold up by hundreds of dollars in a very short time. Gold price predictions for 2026. So, where do experts believe gold will land in 2026? Conservative forecasts. Analysts expect gold to remain between $2,200 and $2,400 per ounce, steady and resilient. Bullish scenarios. If inflation continues or geopolitical tensions rise, gold could easily push past $2,600 and may even touch $3,000. Bearish case. If inflation cools significantly and interest rates fall in a controlled way, gold may retrace slightly toward $2,000. Overall, the consensus is clear. Gold is likely to remain strong and valuable in 2026. Investors should prepare for some volatility, but the long-term outlook continues to favor gold. Should you invest in gold in 2026? Now, the most important part, what should you do as an investor? Think of gold as a hedge. Gold is not a get-rich-quick investment. It is designed to protect your wealth against uncertainty. Diversify your portfolio. Experts suggest holding 5 to 15% of your portfolio in gold. This provides balance without overexposing you to one asset. Explore different options. You can invest in physical gold, such as coins or bars, or choose gold ETFs, sovereign gold bonds, or even mining stocks. Each has its own pros and cons, but all give you exposure to the metal. Take a long-term view. Gold may fluctuate in the short term, but history shows it holds its value over decades. Don't panic with small drops, because gold's real power is in wealth protection over time. Final thoughts, the golden question. So as we move into 2026, the golden question remains. Will gold break past 2,600 and beyond, or will it settle around 2,200? The truth is, no one can predict with 100% certainty. But what we do know is this: gold will continue to play a major role in global finance, wealth preservation, and portfolio stability. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more updates on finance, investing, and global markets. Until next time, stay smart, stay invested, and may your future always shine like gold.